Hello, I'm doing a test to see which shooting mode is the best for low light on my A7RII, and later I'm gonna also test on my A6300 just to compare these two cameras in low light. Alright, first I'm shooting in 1080p full frame, why am I saying full frame? Full HD, and I'm gonna raise the ISO right now. ISO 100. 200, 640, 1000, 1250, 2000, 3200, 6400. Till this point it looks decent, and then higher than that it's gonna look grainy. 8000, 10,000, 12,800, 16,000, 20,000. Now it's very visible, the noise in the dark, it becomes purple and blue. 25,600, and this is the maximum. Alright, now let's switch it to 4K. First we're gonna do it in full frame. Alright, here we are in full frame. It's actually a very high ISO, I haven't changed. Alright, let me just turn it down. Okay, now we're at 100, 200, 640, 1600, 22,000, 3200, I'm sorry, 3200, 5,000, 6,400, 8,000, 10,000, 12,800, 16,000, 20,000, 25,600. Alright, let me lower it to 6,400. Actually looks okay-ish, because in my other tests I remember that 6,400 ISO is already looks horrible, falling apart on full frame mode. But I don't know, maybe it's just on the monitor, on the camera it doesn't really show, but later I'll see it. But in my experience it looks pretty bad full frame 4K. It's even worse than 1080p. So let's switch to crop mode, and crop mode is very clean, produce really clean image because it doesn't have an image binning or something. Yeah, I'll show you. Pixel binning was what I meant to say. Now we're at crop mode and 4K. Let's see the ISO. Let me lower it. It was already very high. Now it's 100, 200, 500, 1000, 1600, 2000, 2500, 3200, 4000, 5000, 6400. At this point it's still very clean, I think. Based on my past experience, it's still very clean. Move on. 8,000, 10,000, 12,800, 16,000, 20,000, 25,600. This is the maximum. Still looks very clean from the monitor, but I bet there's gonna be some grain, some noise once I load it into my computer. We'll see. On a big monitor. But yeah, that's the result. So if you want to shoot low light, just stick to crop mode. It's gonna give you fantastic results. Whereas the full frame 4K just falls apart at 6400. I would say above 4000 ISO. It's unusable because the purple and the blue noise shows up in the black, in the dark area. It just looks horrible. Alright, I'm gonna lower the ISO to, I'm gonna set it on auto, and we're gonna switch to the Sony A6300 using the 18-105 lens. Right now I'm shooting on Tamron, but the lens doesn't matter because I'm manually adjusting the ISO to show you the difference. Alright, let's switch. Okay, we're shooting 4K. It's supposed to be very clean. Let's see, 100 ISO, 200, 320, 640, 1000, 1600, 20,000, no, I mean 2000. Oh my god. 3200, 5000, 6400. It should be pretty clean. I've shot some night scene, some clips, video clips outdoor on the street in the night with this camera before. It's pretty clean in my experience. Let's move on. 8,000, 10,000, 12,800, 16,000, 20,000, 25,600. Alright, that's the maximum. Alright.